How to navigate in the Integral Guided Surgery Kit. Hello, my name is Audrey. I'm a training manager at Campus Antogir. Integral is a fully guided surgery solution developed to address most of your guided cases with the flexibility you need. In this short video, I will show you the instruments that are included in our Integral Guided Surgery Kit and how to use them. Ready? Let's go! One, start with guide stabilization and bone preparation. Two, manage osteotomy. Three, place the implant. 4, good to know. You now have the key function of all the instruments for carrying out the surgical protocols adapted to your practice. I hope you liked this video and I wish to see you soon for another Campus video tutorial.